Hey, good morning to you, Hazel and Dan. That gag order comes after a judge said the president cannot talk about anyone on his staff for the remainder of this case. This comes after the president had posted on Truth Social that the judge's law clerk was a Democratic strategist, possibly a socialist. That post has since been deleted. But so far, on day 3, Trump is likely to be here, and he won't be holding back in front of the cameras. The president voluntarily going to court once again, speaking out about what he calls fraudulent numbers brought forward by New York Attorney General Letitia James, who brought the case against him. Once again, they sat just feet from each other in court.
This case is a scam. There can't be fraud when you've told institutions to do their own work. This case is a fraud, and it's a scam.
In this civil fraud case, the judge, Arthur Engoron, has already ruled the president and his corporation overvalued their assets by more than $2 billion for better deals on loans, ripping off insurance companies. The penalties for this could ban the Trumps from doing business here in New York and cost up to $250 million in fines. For the second day, Trump's legal team argued the loans on properties in question represent a small portion of his business empire. And there are no victims in this case because the banks knew the risks and made money off the deals. Attorney General James says she is confident on how this case is playing out.
The defendants cannot blame their repeated and persistent fraud on their accounting firm because it is the defendants and the defendants alone who provided the numbers, the data, and the false valuations.
The Republican presidential frontrunner has been indicted 4 times since March involving overturning his 2020 election loss, election tampering, hoarding classified documents, and falsifying business records related to hush money payments to former porn star Stormy Daniels. Despite facing criminal charges, Trump uses every opportunity before the cameras to campaign.
At a minimum, she should start looking for the murderers and the criminals, the violent criminals all over New York. Do something about all of the illegal migrants pouring into our city and state.
Trump said himself he's expected to testify at a later date. This trial is expected to last through December for the last 3 months. We're live in Lower Manhattan. I'm Calla Rama, Pix 11 News.